Making a man miss you isn't about playing hard to get or manipulating emotions. It's about creating real emotional connections and understanding how the human mind responds to absence, attraction, and memory. Psychology offers powerful insights into how you can become unforgettable to someone you care about. 1. Emotional imprints matter. People miss those who leave a strong emotional impact. According to psychological research, we remember those who made us feel something: joy, passion, comfort, or excitement. So, instead of focusing on being perfect, focus on creating emotional experiences when you're with him. Laugh together. Have meaningful conversations. Show kindness. When you're gone, it's those feelings he'll long for. 2. The power of absence. The human brain responds strongly to scarcity. When something, or someone, is less available, we naturally start to value it more. If you're constantly available, there's nothing for him to miss. But when you create a little space, he begins to notice your absence. This doesn't mean ignoring him, it means allowing space for yearning to grow. 3. Stay mysterious. Psychologically, mystery activates curiosity, and curiosity triggers dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical. Don't share every detail about your day or constantly post on social media. Let him wonder. When a man can't fully figure you out, his mind stays active, and he's drawn back to you over and over. 4. Be genuinely independent. A woman who is emotionally, mentally, and socially independent is deeply attractive. Studies show that people are drawn to those with a strong sense of self. Continue to live your life, pursue your passions, and stay grounded in who you are. When he sees that you're happy on your own, he's more likely to want to be part of your world, and miss it when he's not. 5. Nostalgia triggers longing. Psychologists explain that nostalgia strengthens emotional bonds. Subtle reminders like a shared song, a scent, or a phrase from a past memory can reignite feelings of connection. These emotional cues, even if small, stir up the desire to be close to the person who made us feel that way. 6. Be selective with communication. Responding to every message instantly or always initiating conversation removes emotional tension. Let him come to you sometimes. Allow him to wonder what you're up to. That pause in communication creates mental space for him to miss you. In conclusion, making a man miss you isn't about silence or distance alone, it's about becoming emotionally meaningful. Be warm, real, independent, and slightly mysterious. When you're both emotionally present and wisely absent, the longing becomes real. He won't just miss you, he'll crave your presence.